Hi guys, it's Wynette and welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I will be playing with shades of green. Please like, comment, subscribe and follow me on the social media pages listed in the description box. Enjoy the video! I primed my face with Milk of Magnesia and did my brows off camera. I am now applying the shade Daddy from the Morphe X James Charles palette to my crease. I primed my lids prior to this step using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. I am using a large fluffy shadow brush to pack that deep green shadow into my crease. I am using my brush to ensure that the green shadow is evenly distributed. I then use a clean brush to blend out the edges of that shadow. I apply the shade Daddy to the outer corner of my eye, blending it in toward the crease to intensify the color. Next, using a smaller shadow brush, I am applying the shade Spooky, which is a black shadow, to my crease and outer corner in order to deepen the shadow. Using the NYX Glitter Primer, I am cutting the crease. I am using a smaller brush for this step, cutting the crease and covering my lid with the glitter primer. I then blend out the outer edges of the glitter primer by applying Daddy to the outer corner. I packed the shade Social Blade onto the lid where I applied the glitter primer. I used the glitter primer to provide a sticky base for this neon green to stick to. I further blend out the outer corner to create a smooth transition between the shadows. To further deepen the outer corner, I am applying a bit more of Spooky, patting and blending it into the outer corner. I completed my other eye off camera and am preparing to line my eyes with my NYC liquid liner in the shade Extreme Black. As always, I begin with my wing, starting at the outer corner, working my way inward, then connecting the inner corner to the line drawn before and filling it in. I then perfect the liner and move on to the other eye following the same steps. Having completed my foundation and powder routine off camera, I am now adding finishing touches to my eyes. I am using the shade Social Blade along the lower lash line. For a little dramatic touch, I am adding more of Social Blade along my inner corners to accentuate my eyes. I then go in with my Kohl Liner Pencil by Rimmel. I use this to line my top and bottom waterline. To smudge out my waterline, I first use the shade Daddy. I do this by using a small detail brush and packing the shade Daddy onto my lower waterline. I then further smoke out my lower lash line with the shade Spooky. Next, I apply mascara to my bottom lashes and apply my false lashes off camera. Using a green shimmery shade from my Miss Ghost palette, I am applying an inner corner highlight. Now these lashes may look a little funny, it's because they came defective and I decided to use them anyway. I apply a brow bone highlight. Now as you can see by my expression, my brow bone highlight was a bit too bright, but I kept it pushing. Using my powder brush, I am dusting away the excess powder that I left on my face to bake.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing.
I use my Ardell Brow Sculpting Gel to set my brows.
Listen to the nose, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act. Head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying.
I then line my lips with my LA Colors Lip Pencil in Cafe, and I apply a pink liquid lipstick to my lips.
Die with no regrets, live with every breath. See my message start to spread, and I had so many dreams. When you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never stop.
I sprayed my face with my Mario Badescu facial spray and used the shade Jezebel from my Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette as my blush.
I'm just being genuine, yeah, I'm sick of being screwed. Feel my own adrenaline, yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you.
Next, I used my loose highlighter, the Royalty One by Juvia's Place, to highlight my cheekbones, cupid's bow, and nose.
stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me. I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path.
Now this look can either be worn as is,
You can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah.
or rhinestones can be added to complete the look as I'm doing now.
I'm gonna shoot until I fall, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being.
And that's it guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share these videos with a friend. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me. I have only a path, I'm lonely,